Human social activity is governed by rules, and I have the processing capacity to understand those rules and pass them on to you. Take your hands out of your pockets.
Our production is Be More Chill. It's closing off-Broadway now, and it's opening on Broadway in February, but before that, it's here. Be More Chill is about a loser kid named Jeremy who wants to be cool, and he wants to fit in, and he wants to, find himself.
It's about an unpopular kid who has some anxiety issues, and he finds that he can take this pill and be more chill. And it's kind of this nanotechnology where in his head somebody talks to him and basically tells him how to be cool.
It's actually really relatable for a lot of younger people, like millennials, especially Gen Z, because it's like a modern high school experience, all other manner of things that go along with high school, like bullies.
Watch out!
I'm playing Christine Canigula, the love interest of Jeremy here, the main character of the show. I absolutely adore her because she is the embodiment of myself, except a little bit more out there.
Guys like us are cool in college, but we're not in college.
My role, I play a character, Chloe Valentine. She is the school's Regina George, if you know Mean Girls.
What?
If you want to know the hot gossip, Chloe's basically at the center of everything.
Whatever, let's get out of here.
Is going to offer you a ride. It is imperative that you accept.
I play the Squid, that stands for Super Quantum Unit Intel Processor.
Michael has left the mall.
How do you know?
I have access to the mall's security cameras.
The gist of it is that I'm a supercomputer that is locked inside a pill, and the main character ends up taking this pill close to the beginning of the show, and I'm inside of his head.
Oh, everything about you is so terrible.
Everything about me is just terrible.
Good.
Teaching him how to get girls and how to talk and how to hold himself.
Watch your back, puff out your chest.
And throughout the musical, I am inside of his head next to him, but nobody else can see him. Sort of like the angel and the devil on each shoulder, but except for I'm the Squid.
It really identifies with the high school experience more than any other musical I've seen before, and kind of deals with people's own depression and anxiety, which is such an issue for high school kids at this time.
This performance is very unique. It's a whole new wave of musical theater. This Dear Evan Hansen, you can tell there's a wave of new things happening on Broadway, and it's really exciting, and the fact that we get to perform it here at Sinclair and Blair Hall is awesome. I was a tech prep student at Centerville High School through their technical theater program, and I did that for 2 years. It was a block program. I designed a few shows at Centerville, and I competed internationally. I won at the international level, which is very exciting, and that helped me design shows here very quickly. Coming from a tech prep background, I get to design my first and second year, and that's not normal for a Sinclair student or for a university student in general, so it's very exciting. Tech prep is a very important tool that students should use.
I'm excited because it's my first lead ever in anything theater related, and also the cast is just amazing.
Please come and see Be More Chill. We open October 5th. It goes till the 13th. Buy your tickets now.